Through these days of training, surely we have gained a lot. And I think I'm going to take the BSF in Isinjiro on another level.
We are at Makerere University Agricultural Research Institute, Kabanyolo, conducting a black soldier fly farming training. We have poultry farmers, fish farmers, pig farmers, and crop growers.
We realized that farmers are not really getting the yields that they are supposed to get. The soil is now very poor. So we used FRAS for the first time in Soroti and Kabramaido. The FRAS did very well and farmers all got interested. So that's why we decided to organize this training so that our farmers can become self-reliant.
We are looking at an important insect called the black soldier fly, which is among the beneficial insects supported by the Ministry of Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries. And it is supported under a project of the Uganda Climate Smart Transformation Project. This insect is beneficial in that it produces fertilizers through a process of decomposing the organic waste.
It plays a key role in the circular economy. It is an insect that is going to biodegrade organic waste more efficiently compared to the conventional composting process, which takes several months.
So the training has been going on for 3 days. The first day was practically introducing the farmers to the principles of BSF. On the second day, we looked at business management, because if you give them the technical knowledge without the business knowledge, how are they going to manage the business when they return? We had a practical session where the farmers experienced how the Ento Organic Farm Uganda Limited does their BSF business. So on the third day, today we are going to visit a successful BSF farmer to practically see how a farmer like them has managed to achieve what they have achieved with BSF business.
Our training has been structured in a theoretical part, but also practical engagements. And it is structured in a way that the challenges or the bottlenecks we know that farmers are facing is where we put much more emphasis.
We are looking at a trainer or trainers who are not textbook trainers. They are doing it, and the illustrations they are putting, these are illustrations which they have developed from their own production site. To me, this is fantastic.
They have testified that there are things they were not doing right. So to us, this is very encouraging that even for those who claimed to have started, we have given them new knowledge. They have further been motivated, and they are now going back to actually start or continue and do correctly what they had been doing wrongly, meaning that there's going to be sustainability for our training.
There has been exposure on the equipment, and the farmers have seen them. Two, the practical bit of the processes of rearing. The invited trainees have seen how the processes move, and they have known that there are other steps that go on up to when we get the larvae that we want, and also the FRAS.
People have tried different technologies, but this one is being seen as something that is going to be a game changer. We want to impact not only on human lives, but as we are targeting to better human life, then we are also interested to being sure that the environment is sustainable.
I came here with little knowledge, but out of the experience that we have gathered, we are very eager to go back home and we put everything into place. The production is going to double. We are going to excel and we'll be even having more production for our own farm and also for income.
We have also provided farmers with the tools like videos, black soldier fly production manuals, so that as farmers go back to their community, they can encounter any challenges along the way, they can fix it, but also they can reach out back to us for further support.
We are happy for this, and we encourage more groups formed. We encourage more trainings be conducted here so that we have a bigger team to deliver the knowledge.
I thank the trainers who brought in the technical knowledge and the hands-on experience, that is Ento Organic Farm Uganda. We are very grateful for your expertise and the knowledge that you have shared with the farmers, and also for making this training so simple, like something a farmer could understand and appreciate.